The 2025 Ford Bronco Sport is generating buzz as it gears up for a significant redesign. While official details are still under wraps, spy shots and industry speculation suggest exciting changes are on the horizon for this compact SUV. The exterior is likely to get a tougher, more aggressive look, with a larger front grille and sharper, more defined headlights. Enhanced body cladding and bigger wheel arches could give it a more rugged stance, perfect for off-road adventures. New wheel options and tires are also expected to enhance its versatility. Inside, the Bronco Sport is set to become even more tech-savvy. A bigger, more intuitive touchscreen is rumored, along with upgraded materials and a wider range of interior colors. Enhanced connectivity and safety features are also anticipated, making it a more attractive option for modern drivers. On the powertrain front, whispers of a possible hybrid variant are circulating, which could complement the existing turbocharged engines, offering both power and efficiency. Expected to debut in late 2024, the 2025 Bronco Sport could see a slight price increase, reflecting its new features and improvements. Keep an eye out for more updates as we get closer to its release.